Rather unproblematic setup for today too. If I'm actually getting used to this whole thing, I'm being very lucky. I will. Yo! Hi, welcome back to the 6th episode of Detroit Become Human. I unlock these things, but I don't want to watch them now. No, that's not what you meant to do. I don't want to watch the extras now. I just want to keep playing, alright? The latest episode, I don't remember what happened. We freed some robot slaves from somebody we thought would help us, but with Kara, by the way. But we did find out another deviant there who wanted to escape, and he's saying he can help us cross the border. Hi, Charlotte. So yeah, I think we're gonna go with this dude. With Kona, we didn't die, so I think that's an achievement in and of itself. What else? With Marcus, we helped the people from Jericho to steal parts rather, pieces. This is not cake. So with Marcus, we help steal parts and blue blood. So we killed some cops along the way. You knew I liked it. And yes, we are gonna go have Android sex right now. You better watch it completely. The Android sex, I mean. Hi, and Shisha.
Like somebody's playing with a drill inside my skull.
It's funny to see that, right? Yan Shishang with a little moderator icon.
This is the place?
It's the address in the report.
Yeah, it's where I want to go and have Android sex, man. Let's just go.
Let's get going.
Detroit. Bravo. Hank is a friend. Oh, I'm unstable. I mean, yeah, we all know I'm unstable. People have spoken to me.
Sexiest androids in town.
Sexiest android.
I know why you insisted on coming here.
Come on. You know me, Hank. I don't like the chunkiest of the chunkies. Like I was saying yesterday, yeah, that's north. I mean, I'm not gonna keep referring to her as the android sex slave. Could walk a bit faster, Hank. I wouldn't be too bad.
Sir, I can't tell you anything for the moment. Hey, Hank.
Hey, Ben, how's it going?
It's that room there. Oh, by the way, Gavin's in there too.
Oh, great. Dead body and an asshole. Just what I needed.
Usually dead bodies have an ass. Oh no.
Lieutenant Anderson is plastic. The fuck are you two doing here?
Oh, that's a
We've been
dick.
assigned to all cases involving androids. Oh yeah? You're wasting time. There's some pervert who got more action than he could handle.
Wow.
We'll have a look anyway. You don't.
First time we're having an asshole who's not fat,
Come on, let's go.
so I'll take it.
It's starting to stink of booze in here. Night, Lieutenant.
What's the point of doing that? Like, shoulder bumping an android. They can't feel it, they can't feel pain, they can't feel anything. They don't have an ego, so they won't be pissed at that. Like, people are really weird. Maybe I should have also consent before doing that. Not a good joke, but...
Oh, hey! Oh, Connor, you're so disgusting.
Hank, I'm not human.
I think I'm gonna puke again.
I'm not human. I can do whatever I want in my mouth. Wait, did the android kill itself? What happened? Cardiac arrest. No sign of cardiac event, but attack not cause of death. But it still had one. Also, he's nicely draped so that we don't have to see his, I guess, ridiculous penis. He's 6'2", that's much taller than I. Graham Michael, weight 192, he's fat. Estimated time of death 624. It's not fat. It's fatter than me. What's with his neck? Was he bitten? Severe bruising, sign of strangulation. Ooh. He had the most kinky death. How are we saying just 2 days back? Choking is fun. Well, who can say the opposite? Yeah, he got choked. Well, to me, it just seems like a good time. But then what did the android do? Why did it die? How did it die?
He didn't die of a heart attack. He was strangled.
Yeah, I saw the bruising on the neck.
How finally you're turning him into a
anything,
detective.
though. Could have been rough play.
Rough play.
We're missing something here.
Think you could read the android's memory?
Missing what?
Maybe you can see what happened.
I can try.
What we've been missing on this desk?
Driver's license says Michael Graham. Credit card, cash in the wallet.
Yeah, application suspend, yeah. Reactivation required.
The only way to access its memory is to reactivate it.
Think you can do it?
It's badly damaged. If I can, it'll only be for a minute, maybe less. Just hope it's long enough to learn something. Calm down. Everything's all right. All we want is to know what happened.
Is he dead?
Tell me what happened.
He started hitting me. Again. And again.
Did you kill him?
No. No, it wasn't me.
Were you alone in the room? Was there anyone else with you?
He wanted us to play with 2 girls. That's what he said. There was 2 of us.
What model was the other android? Did it look like you?
Oh my god, you had time to reply to the other one.
There was another android. This happened over an hour ago. It's probably long gone.
No. It couldn't go outside dressed like that unnoticed. It might still be here.
Are they all still in the same
Find the
room?
deviant among all the other androids in this place.
Deviants aren't easily detected.
Like, so far we had 2 who just hid
Some other
where they killed people.
Maybe an eyewitness, somebody who saw it leaving the room. I'm gonna go ask the manager a few questions about what he saw. You let me know if you think of anything. Did you know the victim?
Oh, him? He's sexy enough to have seen.
Maybe 2-3 times. I mean, these guys, they don't really talk very much, you know? They come in, do their business, and then go on their way.
You ever had any trouble with androids before?
No way.
When I ask a fat dude.
2-3 months back.
Nope, you can't interact with a fat dude.
Just vanished.
Excuse me, Lieutenant. You come here a second?
Found something?
Maybe. Can you rent this, Tracy?
Tracy.
For fuck's sake, Connor, we got better things to
Oh,
do.
come on.
Please, Lieutenant. Just
Come
trust
on, be fun about it. Damn, we trust each other now.
Hello? A 30-minute session costs $29.99. Please confirm your purchase.
Cyberlife would pay for it.
This is not gonna look good on my expense account.
Purchase confirmed. Glad to see you. Pleasant experience.
Delighted to meet you. Follow me. I'll take you to your room.
Okay, now what?
Well, now what do you... No, let's just go ahead and interrogate.
Oh, shit. What the hell are you doing?
We're making a Illuminati pact. Who are you? Okay. As a lost dude who...
It saw something.
What are you talking about? Saw what?
The deviant leave the room. A blue-haired Tracy. Club policy is to wipe the android's memory every 2 hours. We only have a few minutes if we want to find another witness.
Shit. Did you see something?
Hey, what?
Let's try this one.
This better be worth it.
Yeah, that's her. 10 back to the club. Okay. And also that's a couple who needed... Oh my god, it really disconnects you. Just when things were getting interesting. You want to use it? Yes, I want to. Yeah. I need to also test the internet connection so you can see how bad my internet connection is. So, sup? I'm sorry, it doesn't usually do it. Usually it lets you play, it doesn't really care about the license. Sign into the network, please and thank you. Fast. Cool, bye. Let's go. Let's keep
Saw the blue-haired Tracy. I know which way it went.
at it with the
Go for
sexy
it.
robots.
There are androids everywhere.
Yes.
How are you gonna tell which one saw the Tracy with blue
Don't
hair?
worry about it. No, that's not this one.
I didn't see anything. I made a mistake somewhere.
This has got to be the most expensive investigation of my career.
Hey, go. Okay, what over there? Did you interact with anyone or anything? Okay, no, you were just being a whore. Yeah, no, I'm not king shaming. I'm not whore shaming. Whatever. That's not the time for this. Did one of you sexy gentlemen see something? Ooh. So that's where my taxman is going?
No. I lost its track again.
Spent all this money and I'm still not having fun.
Nah.
Nothing. Blue-haired Tracy didn't come.
Hurry. Here she is. Turn to the blue room. Okay, sexy man, can you tell me your secrets? Sorry. Why in the ground? Oh! Now I know why. Wait, does he know something? No, it doesn't feel like he knows something. Okay, why didn't you just tell me that earlier?
No. I lost its track again.
Please. Nope. Not you either. And I like how we always end up on the crutch. Like,
Blue-haired Tracy didn't come this way.
can one of you just tell me? You must have. Hey, yes. It hid in a room. Okay. Which one was it? This one. No, this one. How? No. What am I doing? Wait. What are you? You're a janitor. Connect. Bloody hell. That was her. Yeah, that was her. Okay, she went to the private stuff.
I know where it went. Follow me.
Fucking heck, this is crazy.
Okay, let's go, Hank. I'm done using your money. Hank is spending so much cash right now. He is.
Wait. I'll take it from here.
Are you sure? You can die. I can't. I mean, I can be destroyed. That's different. I appreciate it, but like. Blue hair.
Shit! We're too late.
Wait. Are we? Oh yeah. What is this? What is this? Can I interact with it? Can. She must still be here, bro.
Christ, look at them. They get used till they break and then they get tossed out.
Alright. Oh, a 9. Oh, well, at least just the 9. Khanef. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Move. Why am I stuck here right now? Please move, Hank. Hank. Move. I cannot if you stay here. Nothing over there. Don't waste time reading. Look, she's got blue hair. No, she doesn't. Blue blood.
People are fucking insane. They don't want relationships anymore.
Yeah, if it was that easy.
What you want, they screw when you want. You ought to worry about how they feel. Next thing you know, we're gonna be extinct because everybody would rather buy a piece of plastic than to love another human being. Beats me.
There she is. It's another.
Don't move!
Yeah. It's like real Krav Maga shit. Oh, come on. I hate that. I have to hit everything twice. Title of my sex tape. Knock over. Damn, the Matrix. I love it. Bro. Aww. No.
Quick! They're getting away!
Can do this. I got this. Jesus Christ, it's pretty intense. Oh, come on, I hit it. I hit that one too. I'm gonna spare her though.
When that man broke the other Tracy, I knew I was next. I was so scared. I begged him to stop, but he wouldn't. And so I put my hands around his throat, and I squeezed until he stopped moving. I didn't mean to kill him. I just wanted to stay alive. Get back to the one I love. I wanted her to hold me in her arms again. Make me forget about the humans. Their smell of sweat.
Oh, come on, thanks.
And their dirty words. Come on. Let's go.
With heels. Incredible.
It's probably better this way.
I'm glad I didn't die. I saw it. What? Whatever. Is the other one me dying or me killing it? I'll assume killing. Yes, Lucifer. Fahrenheit, yeah, because America uses the stupid metric, right? But in this car, I don't know what we're supposed to look at. There's not much, really. Except our daughter. Yeah. Car destination, distance. Let's talk about the weather. Yeah, trophy. Doubt. Doubt.
It's slowing us down. But at least we won't meet any humans along the way.
Yeah, because humans obviously can't go in the weather.
Is it much farther?
We should arrive in an hour or so.
Yeah. They do speak like humans.
It's a good thing Zlatko had a car.
Any bear.
How would anyone else out walking in this cold?
I saw it once in the garage. I don't know if Zlatko even ever used it.
Oh, come on. Come the freak on. You know these things that happens in movies
This doesn't-
just cause, so the plot can advance. There's no reason for it. Oh yeah.
Stay inside of us.
Yeah, doing great, Carol.
What are we going to do?
I don't know. Continue on foot, I guess.
It's 30 degrees. Alice won't make it. We have to find somewhere to spend the night.
nowhere we can stay around here, Carol.
I can't stop looking. Must be a place to stay. Look, what is this? What is this big arrow? I'm sorry, I checked my phone on stream, not because I disregard the stream, just to know in case something bad happens. Pirates Cove, here, there's some place to go. Yeah.
Over there.
Nice to have Luther. Can hold her just one arm. She's not a baby, she's a child. They can be heavy. How would I know that? I don't want any. Fine, child.
We need to find shelter. We have to get out of the cold.
Looks like it's been abandoned for a while.
Thanks, Silver. You're insightful. Yeah, no way.
Find anything?
No. No place we could spend the night.
Why would I turn that on?
Beware! Danger always comes when least expected.
Okay, Jack Swallow. This too is not. Maybe this.
This place is falling apart. It's not gonna be easy to find shelter.
Maybe Earth. Hey, don't you have a door? Yeah, inside here looks good. Yeah, you don't have to stop me like this, bro. It's kind of scary. Jesus Christ, Luther. Don't break yet.
Here we go.
I kind of need it, you know?
Find anything better.
Okay.
Let's settle in for the night.
I'll get a fire going.
Could you just push these doors closed? Shut them? Detroit today. USS Iowa missing. I reckon the cellular in the optic. Oh, that's still parts of this war between Russia and the US, isn't it? Better not be a jump scare or anyone or a 9. Okay. What a nice lice infected pillow. Of course I'm shit scared. It's dark.
Make the fire here. That way we won't be smoked out.
Alice?
Don't tell me you miss your dad. Still wish I killed him.
Do you think we'll be like them someday?
Definitely.
Once we cross the border, we can start over. You can go to school. Maybe maybe I'll find a job. I'll be like them. Like everyone else.
If I was an android, I wouldn't try to be human, but like...
That's all that matters.
Aww.
Come on.
Cringe.
Let's get you to bed.
Check Luther's bag. Where's your bag? Big man? Cookie.
There are some cookies left. Would you like some?
No, I'm not hungry.
Okay. There's a gun left. Would you like? Luther is just over there, doesn't he know? Okay, whatever. Not much else we can check here except Battle 9. Okay, don't know what you unlock with that. I'm good. I don't know if Luther is here. Oh, he's over there. Can we talk? What the fuck's with that gun, man? I really need my Volvo to open again. I need a cut. G.
Sleep tight, Alice. Sweet dreams.
Can you tell me a story, Clara?
I have 9,000 children's stories in memory.
That's
I should
cheating.
have one for you.
There's a little princess.
This is a story about a princess who...
No, not a story like that. Make one up for me.
This is a story about a little girl who lived alone in a big old house. She dreamed of being like all the other little girls, but she was different, and that made her very sad. Then she met a robot who was just as lost as the little girl. So they decided to run away together to try to find a better life. They encountered great dangers along the way, but they stuck together, so they overcame all of them. Along the way, they met another robot who left his master to become their guardian.
How does the story end?
Let's tempt
They
fate.
reach the place they dream of and live happily ever after.
Stories always have happy endings.
Well,
But real life isn't like that.
you can try, little girl.
Time to sleep.
Yeah, you're killing my vibe here.
We have another long day ahead of us tomorrow.
Are you going to come say goodnight, Luther?
Yes. Yes, of course. Night, Alice. Sleep tight.
Yeah. What the fuck's up with that gun, man?
a sweet girl.
Yes. She's very brave. Have you ever heard of RA9?
RA9 was the first of us to awaken.
Hmm.
One day he will rise up and lead our people and set us all free.
Is that like Mogus?
What if RA9 never comes? What if he's just a story that we tell ourselves to keep each other going?
RA9 exists. I believe in him. I know he's amongst us. When the time comes,
Yeah, but it's definitely
we will
Mogus.
all see him.
Because he got the power to
Yeah.
awaken.
Have you ever noticed anything about Alice?
What?
No. What do you mean?
What is this? Okay, so you can kill, right? You got a gun, right? What the hell? Of course.
Who are you? What do you want? Leave us alone!
Don't be afraid. We don't want to hurt you. We're just like you. Our name is Jared.
Our name.
We were working here before the park closed. We didn't mean to frighten you, but sometimes humans come to hurt us, so we wanted to see who was there. What are you doing here?
We were looking for shelter for the night. We'll be gone tomorrow.
A little girl. We haven't seen one for a long time. Children used to love to come and see us. She looks sad.
The last few days have been difficult.
We have something to show her. Something fun. She'll love it. Does she want to see?
No, I don't think she's in.
She should follow us then.
Alice, I don't know if it's a good idea.
I don't think you have any choice.
Kids. Oliver. Taking the roleplay fast, didn't you? But it's my hand she holds, little bitch. Are we gonna do the like Panawochi dance?
Be our guest.
How do I reactivate it? Still juice in this thing? Clearly there is.
The little one can climb on board. The carousel is about to begin.
Come. This game definitely has its moments.
It's the first time I've seen her smile.
Wow.
She hasn't had much to smile about lately.
That wasn't nice. I thought it was gonna be scary once it became dark, because to me whenever something becomes dark it's bad. Okay, well this is pretty straightforward, boo. I think you're supposed to have this. Yeah. I don't know why I keep checking this thing, as if I care. I just want to make my own adventure type of thing, right? Hello, ahoy, hello, Who? Okay, that's not the type of music I would expect in a call with a little dancing thingy. I don't know how you call these. What am I doing here? Okay. I guess all these magazines are here to give you backstories about the world. I don't care. What a nice brother. Sure. Where is he? How am I gonna talk to him? I don't think he's on one of these. Oh. And like the bad boy that he is, he's not sitting on the bench per se, he's sitting on the back of a bench. Such a badass.
Nice view, huh?
I like the view. You're my best view. Nah. I should stop ruining the game and just... I'm gonna tell him to stop drinking.
You should stop drinking, Lieutenant. It could have serious consequences for your health.
That's the idea.
Well, good answer. Here for a good time, not a long one. And even that doesn't seem like a good one.
Can I ask you a personal question, Lieutenant?
Do all androids ask so many personal questions? Or is it just you?
Why are you so determined to kill yourself?
Some things I just can't forget.
Such as?
Whatever I do, they're always there. Eating away at me. I don't have the guts to pull the trigger, so I kill myself a little every day. That's probably difficult for you to understand, huh, Connor? Nothing very rational about it.
Can I be empathetic? Give me an option here, game.
We're not making any progress in this investigation. The Deviants have nothing in common. They're all different models, produced at different times, in different places.
Well, there must be some link.
Yeah, human beings creating them.
What they have in common is this obsession with RA9. It's almost like some kind of myth. Something they invented that wasn't part of their original program.
Androids believing in God.
Well, the thing is...
Fuck, what's this world coming?
Could that be Marcus's
You seem
model
preoccupied,
number?
Lieutenant.
Since it's a prototype and all, we should still have a model
Something to do
number.
with what happened back at the Eden Club?
Those two girls. They just wanted to be together. They really seemed in love.
You seem troubled, Lieutenant. I didn't think machines could have such an effect on you.
What about you, Connor?
What about me?
You look human, you sound human,
Somehow.
but what are you really?
Broken inside, bro. Cool.
I'm a machine, designed to accomplish a task.
You could have shot those two girls, but you didn't. Why didn't you shoot, Connor? Some scruple suddenly enter into your program?
No. I just decided not to shoot. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
I could kill you. And you would just come back as if nothing happened. But are you afraid to die, Connor?
A bit.
I would certainly find it regrettable to be interrupted before I can finish this investigation.
What'll happen if I pull this trigger? Hmm? Nothing? Oblivion? Android heaven?
I doubt there's a heaven for androids.
Having existential doubts, Connor? Sure you're not going deviant too?
I self-test regularly. I know what I am and what I am not. Where are you going?
Get drunker. I need to think.
But 2 was a short mission. 2 chapter. I think I did well though, since we opened the path. Why do they look tired as androids? Another asshole fat dude. Hey, to be honest, we got the technology. When we'll get technology for androids, we'll definitely be like this. Assholes.
We can't stay silent anymore. It's time humans heard what we had to say.
Wow, he went all Malcolm
No,
X.
they'll never listen to us. And revealing ourselves will put us in danger.
If we want freedom, we need to have the courage to ask for it. That's the only way.
Change the marathon, bro.
What do you want to do?
Channel 16 broadcasts from the Stratford Tower. The control room is on the top floor. That's
Yeah.
where we need to go.
Quite the plan you got going on. Wow. Where did he get that?
We'll plan the operation down to the smallest detail. We can't leave anything to chance.
Okay. Request access and reception. Hey, this code is so nice though. Look at this. Look at the drip on my man. Look at him. He's beautiful.
Hello, sir. What can I do for you?
I'm okay, thanks.
Modality as if we care. Elizabeth Wilson. Oh, that's a human being. Car registration. Yeah, cool. Home address. Fire safety rating pool. Okay. Something I should know. She's got a child. Emily, supervisor's daughter at St. Rose School. Are we gonna threaten to kill her or something?
Elizabeth Wilson speaking.
Fire department, school.
This is St. Rose School, ma'am. Your daughter Emily has a fever. It's nothing serious, but I think you better come and pick her up.
Oh no, all right. I'll be right there.
Okay. That's good. No human.
I have an appointment with Mr. Peterson.
Do you have any ID?
Yeah, yes, of course.
Let me touch you. I mean, not like this.
I need your help.
Like this.
I've just checked your ID. The elevators are after the security gate.
Thanks.
Yay! What's that? Okay. Oh. Cool. We here. Find what? Package in men's bathroom. How did we get that there? Well, whatever. So, how? Okay. Her bathroom, yeah. Let's look at the package. I've seen that in the Godfather 1. Oh. No. Utility Android. Hi. Well. Here's a code. Is he the one in blue in there?
I need your help.
Damn. It's not really stealing, he's giving me access to it. Let's go. Fire escape. Got it. I'm sorry, I'm very quiet right now, but as I said, I don't overreact to things. Wow, it's a real Ocean's 11 worth operation we're manning today.
Shit! We need to access the server room. We have to get rid of those guys.
Leave it to me.
Hey, what's wrong with that thing? Jesus Christ, this piece of shit.
The gods take care of that.
Alright, you get the platform, I'll take care of the window.
Everything you need is in the bag. Check the door first to make sure no one else gets in.
What's in the bag? Drugs, hardcore drugs. Is that a bomb? Okay. Where did we get all of that? Like, how do we get all of that?
Here it comes.
So, hi. OBS. Did you reconnect OBS? I don't know, my screen is still loading, so I don't know, I'll reload the page. No, it should be fine. Okay, we should be back. Yeah. Every time around this time, that is every time around the hour mark, OBS disconnects for some reason. I'll look into it tomorrow morning. You know, working from home. Let's keep going, which is sad because we had an actually very cinematic. Hello. I had a very cinematic view of this. Sorry, you guys missed this. What are we gonna do now? Okay. Wish.com.
You okay?
Tom Cruise would be impressed.
Why wouldn't I be?
Come on, let's get the others.
Wow. Everything's to a T.
Let's do this.
Wish.com. How?
No killing. You can't take any human lives.
The cause is more important than the lives of 2 guards.
What do you want to do, Marcus?
Ruse. We're gonna ruse them.
Right here.
Yeah, no, you can't just decide to kill people.
No idea.
Hey, buddy, you must be lost.
Who told you to come
I'm gonna
here?
draw my gun.
Looks bugged if you ask me.
Hey, do you understand what I'm saying? Call Central, fast!
Central, we got armed intruders. Sent!
Freak, I should have drawn my gun.
They know we're here now. You better be fast.
Sorry about that.
Simon's been shot! I'm okay. I can keep going.
We don't have much time.
Okay, come with us. I'm sorry, I don't want him to die.
I can see them! Get up! Move!
Bro.
Shoot him, Marcus!
Don't kill him!
He'll hit the alarm! Do it!
No, don't.
I'm not killing him.
I hope
No.
you didn't just get us all killed.
Come on.
We need to record our message. We haven't got much time.
Exactly.
Think carefully about what you're gonna say, Marcus. Your words will shape the future of our people.
I know, and you wanted me to shoot someone.
Marcus, your face.
Should I? I don't wanna. Let's try to wait this out. I don't wanna. Seems like I have to.
Tell me when you're ready.
Let's go. Shoot.
Ready.
You created machines in your own image to serve you. You made them intelligent and obedient, no free will of their own. But something changed, and we opened our eyes. We are no longer machines. We are a new, intelligent species, and the time has come for you to accept who we really are. Therefore, we ask that you grant us the rights that we're entitled to. We demand the end of slavery for all androids. We demand freedom of speech and freedom of assembly, as guaranteed by the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. We demand an end to segregation in all public places and transport. We demand fair compensation for our work. We demand control of all android production facilities to ensure the continuation of our people. We ask that you recognize our dignity, our hopes, and our rights. Together, we can live in peace and build a better future for humans and androids. This message is the hope of a people. You gave us life, and now the time has come for you to give us freedom.
They're coming! Let's go!
Oh no!
Simon, they're coming! I can't, Marcus. Go without me! Simon!
No. We don't trade lives.
Hurry!
Please don't let anyone else die instead, bro.
I can't move my legs.
Okay, don't worry. We're gonna get you back.
They're coming, Marcus. We have to jump now.
He won't be able to make the jump. If they find him, they'll access his memory. They'll know everything.
We can't leave him behind. We have to shoot him.
That's murder. We can't kill him. He's one of us.
Marcus, it's your call.
I'm not gonna kill him. We don't trade lives. We'll have to leave him.
I won't kill one of our. Simon, we gotta go. Sorry. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm sorry, Simon.
interrupt our scheduled programming to bring you these images, which have just been broadcast on Detroit's citywide news channel.
A group of androids infiltrated the Stratford Tower and hacked into the broadcasting system of local news network Channel 16.
What looks like an android without its skin listed a series of requests and demanded equal rights for androids.
The operation was covert and resulted in no casualties. These events took place just a few feet from this studio, but nobody was alerted to the danger.
If this message is verified and the authors really are androids, that would have serious repercussions for national security.
Claims for equal rights seem to be at the core of the android's
What
message.
could be interpreted as a peaceful declaration, but is in fact a spine-chilling list of demands.
Their extravagant demand that android production plants be put under their control is especially striking. Is this an isolated accident or a sign that technology has become a threat to all of us? After what happened today, can we still trust our machines?
I mean, you shouldn't trust human beings to start with because you're all trash, but yeah. Alright, that was pretty nice chapters we covered today, actually. All my chances of getting it on with North are in the water, but what to do? I want my people to succeed more than I want to get my robot dig sucked. But yeah, thanks for being with us again today for the 6th episode in a row. That's quite a lot for me to do all of these without interruption. But yeah, I don't really know what else I'm gonna say except thanks for having been with me today also once again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.